All right, so your projects are due this coming Sunday in just a few days. When the clock strikes midnight, it's no longer going to be accepted. So make sure you get it finished and get it submitted. As the syllabus indicates, projects are graded on a pass-fail completion basis. If you fail to get your project submitted by Sunday, it will become part of your final. Please note at the bottom of the course calendar in your syllabus document, it indicates that instead of a final exam, the final is a project portfolio. So any missing projects would need to be submitted at that time. But failure to submit by this coming Sunday means that you will have a 0 for now. So hopefully you've built up your progress on this project throughout the course of the semester so far. We have added an example edited video project done by the teaching assistant for the class, Abram. There are some notes here. Abram's video is very long. Part of that has to do with the fact that he's talking about the project assignment itself for your benefit at the beginning and the end of his video. So your video shouldn't probably not be that long. You're not going to be talking about the project assignment. You're just going to be telling your story. Also, Abram's an advanced sociology student. This is an intro to social class, so your videos may feel like they're not going to include as much as his may, and that's okay as long as it includes pieces of each part of the assignment. Okay, so you don't have to balance it out so that every week's assignment for the project shows up in equal quantities in your video. Some parts may be more or less relevant for your video. Also keep in mind that Abram's style is Abram's style. And if you have your own style, if you already have thoughts about how to make the video, then go ahead and show your style. We don't want anyone to try to fit themselves into this example. It's simply there for someone who might feel like they don't have ideas for how to go about doing this. Okay, I also wanted to show the project submission. So that it's a two-step submission process. The first thing you want to do is click this Dropbox link. And then you will go add your files here. So wherever you have your files stored on your computer, wherever your project file is, you'll go choose it and upload it there. Okay, so you'll click upload. I'm not doing that right now. I'm just showing you the screen. Okay, so I'm looking for a video file, a .mp4, a .mov, kind of a standard video file. They take different formats depending on what kind of app or device you're working with. And then after you've done the Dropbox upload, you're going to go for the second part of the submission process and click on the link for Unit 1 project submission. And in there, I'm asking you to click Create Submission and type here that I do or do not consent to having my video shared with my classmates. Okay, so in the Dropbox submission, only I can see your videos, but I would like for your classmates to be able to see at least some, to see how the project came together very differently for other students. So whatever your preferences, do or do not consent to having your video shared. I want you to type it here in the assignment and then click submit. This will also ensure that I have a double record that your project was submitted. I have the Dropbox record. Dropbox, well, it's more than a double record because Dropbox emails me when you upload a video file to that. So I have an email, and then I have the Blackboard confirmation that you submitted it. So we should have no questions. All right, so then you'll click the submit button here. The assignment is blank, no files are attached. Do you want to go ahead? Yes. Okay. So you don't have to attach a file here. Blackboard can't read video files anyway, which is why I've set up that Dropbox folder. Okay, so a two-step submission process, get it done by Sunday. Any last minute questions or concerns, send an email. Have fun with it.